My name is Paul Sanders. I'm Managing Director of Caption Data. We provide end-to-end IoT solutions for industry. We've been doing IoT solutions for industry for 10 years now, and we believe that a key part of any IoT solution is to have a light touch data retrieval comms medium to enable you to get to your valuable data as quickly and as easily as possible. So the genesis of the business was really born out of frustration from SCADA systems, DCS systems, and how difficult and how challenging it was to actually get hold of this really valuable information that was residing on machines or instrumentation or types of sensors that were in the field, to actually get and harness that information into a usable place where you can perform some really interesting analytics and actually drive revenue, drive growth, drive efficiencies into any organisations. So what we're exhibiting here today is our Nano Ultra system. So it's a cellular based system. It can be deployed into remote locations, interface to machinery and to sensors and instrumentation, and within a matter of minutes a low skilled engineer or technician can actually start to get the information up to somewhere that's usable into our offering, which is called the Smart Hub, which is a secure cloud-based platform where you can view and visualize your information. So how we're seeing companies enabling IoT solutions right now. Over our 10 years we've worked across a number of different sectors. We do see different sectors adopting IoT solutions more readily than others. We're certainly seeing a large uptake in IoT adoption in areas where there are lots of service engineers remotely going out all manner of parts of the country and throughout Europe, just performing service engineering operations. So what we're trying to do is push forward on this centralization of your key skilled engineers, your gurus, get them somewhere in a centralized location. You can de-skill that engineering technician service engineer base and get that information to somewhere where the skilled engineers, the top level engineers, the high pay grade engineers into a centralized location. So any service engineering applications where we're seeing real traction within IoT. UK manufacturers, again, different sectors are adopting at different rates. Of course, you've got the leading edge IoT type solutions, you've got the smart metering, you've got the telematics, and then on the back of that we're starting to see more adoption with smart water networks is a big area that we're involved with, and just general OEM build into machinery manufacturers' equipment. So people will engage with us, they have a build or a buy decision to make. If they've got a thing, an asset, they have a decision. Either they employ lots of engineers to web enable that thing, or they'll engage with an organisation like us, and that's where we're seeing real traction within the industry.